importantly, what can one expect as far as the turnout is concerned and what's essentially happening in Budgam? Let me take that across to Sahil, who's joining me live, my colleague. Sahil, very good morning. As far as phase one was concerned, we looked at those massive particular lineups in terms of citizens coming and casting their mandate. But as far as today, phase two, and from where you're reporting, what are we given to understand? Also pressing concerns and the timing of the same, given many challenges that have been there for the past couple of weeks, at least, with the situation on ground?
Well, voting for phase second in Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly election is in fact underway. It has started as per the ECI notification at 7 a.m. And we are witnessing on ground zero that in fact voters are coming out and casting their votes. 25,78,000 voters will decide the fate of around 239 candidates who are contesting from 26 assembly constituencies that are going to polls today. They are big faces. National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah is contesting from Ganderbal constituency and Budgam constituency as well. In Ganderbal constituency, he is facing PDP's Bashir Mir, while in Budgam, he is also, in fact, again have a direct fight with PDP candidate Muntazir Mahdi. So voting has started. Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF is deployed all at these polling stations that the Election Commission of India has established all across Jammu and Kashmir. 3 districts in Kashmir Valley are going to polls today. That's Srinagar, Budgam and Ganderbal constituency. In first phase, we have seen, in fact, a high voter turnout, more people coming out and casting their votes. Today is important given the fact that foreign diplomats from around 16 countries are going to arrive in Srinagar, and they will have first-hand experience of election process in Kashmir Valley. They will have first experience of the voting that's taking place, because in 2024 Lok Sabha elections we have seen high voter turnout, and in phase first of Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly again we have seen massive turnout. Youth voters are going to play key role, and I am joined by one of the first-time voter who in fact casted his vote. He was the first in fact voter who casted his vote at this polling station. आज आपने पहला वोट डाला लाइफ का, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, कितनी खुशी है, और आपके जहन में क्या इश्यूज है जिनके बेस पे आपने आज जो है वोट किया?
मैंने आज यहाँ पे वोट किया पहली बार, पहली साल मैंने वोट किया यहाँ पे। आज मैं आया, सुबह सवेरे उठा यहाँ पे, मैंने बोला कल से ये बोला मैंने, मेरे को पहली बार आज वोट है, मैं पहले जाऊंगा यहाँ पे। आज यहाँ पे आगे से मुंतजिर लीडर आया है, नया लीडर आया है, हमने उसी को चुना है यहाँ पे बडगाम में। हमने बोला
कोई इश्यू जो आपके जहन में है जो आप चाहते हैं कि उसका हल होना चाहिए?
यहाँ पे पावर, बिजली, यहाँ पे किसी में हमने अभी तक कुछ नहीं देखा यहाँ पे। वो हम पानी पी रहे हैं, वो साफ भी नहीं है, उतना गंदा है, वो बहुत गंदा है वहाँ यहाँ पे पानी। और यहाँ पे ड्रग्स से हम बोल रहे हैं बच जाएगी, यहाँ से बहुत आज माहौल खराब है।
So this is the first time voter and his sentiments basically talking about the basic civic issues of civic amenities, be it electricity, drinking water. Drug bans is one such issue where youth is in fact apparently concerned about, and then the restoration of statehood and other political issues are also dominating the political spectrum of Jammu and Kashmir. But yes, the voting for phase second has started. Voters are coming out, especially the young voters, and in fact casting their votes at the nearest polling booths that the Election Commission of India has established. For the third time, the foreign diplomats are coming to Srinagar today. After the abrogation of Article 370, we had seen in 2020 foreign diplomats coming and visiting Kashmir Valley, and then the G20 summit was held here in Srinagar, and at that time we saw a number of foreign diplomats and ambassadors visiting Jammu and Kashmir. This will be the third time when US diplomats will come, and in fact for the first time they will have first-hand experience of elections, the election process. which is taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. This first assembly election that is taking place after the abrogation of Article 370. There's a lot of enthusiasm among the voters. In fact, particularly among the first voters who are coming and casting their votes. The vote turnout is going to be all high because in past we had seen Srinagar, in fact, district mainly boycotting polls. In before 2019, there was in fact the era when people would prefer to stay indoors. But after 2024 Lok Sabha elections, people are coming out and casting their votes basically on basic civic amenities and issues they are concerned about. At the same time, there are political issues as well, particularly the statehood and its restoration. Political parties have promised, from Bharatiya Janata Party to Congress to regional political outfits. There are big phases in first phase. As I said, Omar Abdullah is contesting from Gandarbal and Badgam constituency is facing PDP, while as Jammu and Kashmir Chief Alta Bukhari is in fact contesting from Chanapura, and he will have a direct fight with National Conference Mushtaq Guru. Ravinder Raina, Bharatiya Janata Party J&K president, is contesting from Nauruz Shaira constituency, while as Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee President Tarek Karra is contesting from Shalteng constituency and will have a direct fight with Irfan Ahmad Shah, who was associated with National Conference but is now contesting
Right,
as
Sahil.
an independent against the Congress J&K chief.